Good afternoon, folks. Yes, I know it's been a long time since I had the chance of recording any videos. I managed to win a Tamiya M-01 Mini on a raffle. Although the body shell is a bit beat up, I've got a brand new one that will be getting cut out and mended. I've managed to tape this thing together so at least it looks reasonably respectable. So I thought I'd just do a little quick blast about, let you see how it goes. I could change the ESC that was in it because it used XT60 plugs and all my back loops. Almost all my all of it. Almost all my batteries are dings. So it's just a Hobbyline 1060 ESC that's in it. Using one of my many extra hey, I didn't manage to unstick it. In case some wheel drive cars can't unstick themselves. And it's only a silver can motor. But it's amazingly fast for a silver can. I'm running on a little 2S Lipo battery which I've had to put bubble wrap round to hold it in the, call it battery tray for the Mini. But this thing goes brilliantly. It's a great little car there. Can't get up to full speed. I'll just drop it down to I always wanted a Tamiya Mini, but the M-01 chassis were going for funny money, really. You really didn't get. See if I can zoom in on this a bit. Really didn't get values. I mean, rich, you'll be able to see that the front's no longer looks as if it's hanging off. Good old-fashioned black gaffer tape. I've got it taped around the bottom so it actually looks like it's got a bumper as well. I just got my Phat Bodies Mini in. They state you're supposed to use 7mm wheel hexes in order to space the wheels out to suit the body. But I dropped the Mini in and I don't need to do a thing. So this. It works brilliantly, thank you very much indeed. Just thought I'd give you folks a little glimpse of my latest acquisition. I'm very pleased with it. So, that's all for today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will catch you all again when I get the chance in the next video. Bye for now.